So, of course, I have a variety pack opening up for you all. And first, I'll open the bad packs, of course. 103 overall, Julius Irving. Boom. He knows it. Thomas Satoransky. Boom. Jonas? No, that's not. I don't think that is. Jonas Valanciunas, 100 overall center. Joe Ingles, 101 overall player in the, small forward in the around the world. Daily Beats Legend Token. Souvenir token. Lakers jersey. And souvenir token again. Okay. Elevate packs. Boom. Did I get? Okay, I got 2, 3. Again, another one. Elevate. It's right now boring, but it will not be later. We're not opening good packs. Start with the bonus packs. Still kind of gonna be boring. I have a lot of bonus packs to go through. Boom. Luke Kennard. Oh no. Okay. Load it. Jason Smith, no good. I need to get some golds up here. Layman, Jake Layman. Come on. Layman again. I don't know. I might pass the what? Wendell Carter Jr., my cousin's favorite NBA player. Yeah, I know. It's a horrible pick, but I don't know. I'm not getting any heat. Chris Boucher, we don't need him for this. We don't want him for this pack opening. Ooh, Frank Ntilikina, 67. Never saw that card before, but still, gold up here, or maybe even elite. We get Moutier, not what we want. Devin Harris, no. We don't really need him. We want good players. Gold. Ed Davis, who is not even on the Brooklyn Nets. Come on, get something good. Boom. Tyler Linden. We have 1,111. Ryan Arcidiacono. No. Not what we want. Timothy. I don't know what his name is. Luau Karabat. That's not what we want. And I hope we get something good. Oh! 87! Tiny Archibald. Did you just see that from a bonus hack? 87 overall? Yes, we got something good. Can we keep it alive? Ooh, I never saw that one. 68. Ivan Rab. 87 off a bonus hat. Let's go. Norman Powell. I hope I'm recording. Come on. Mike Scott. Now let's open our advertisement. Of course, we have some advertisement reward packs. Boom, boom. 1,000, of course. We want good stuff. I might pass the item limit. Ooh, that's the new monthly master token. Okay. I thought it was a finger roll. I'm really kind of happy. Unless I'm not recording. I hope I am. I hope I am recording. Wait, let me think if I record. Yeah, I think I'm recording. Boom. So far we have gotten nothing good. Not now 90 overall player. I only got the 90 overall player 3 times. Opening like 100 of these. Oh, this is still not the good part, even though we got 87. Our best pull today, which will not be our best pull after this video. Advertisement reward pack. I've watched a lot of ads. Just popped up. And we get thread, of course. 4 more of these packs. I don't know which one's a high flyer pack because it just says pack. I remember it says pack, but there's 2 of them that says pack. So I'm saving them. And as we got a monthly master token again, 2 times in a row. 2 more. We get 3 times in a row. 1 more. Do we get a 90? We do not. Now, let's see what we should open. Let's open our select pack. I picked the gorilla. How many items do we have? Oh, nothing more. Now, open the high flyer boomer bus. And it's fine if I get 10,000. Yep. Understandable. Because it's only a 5% chance. Let's open this signature boom or bust. Oh, understandable. Let's open this pack. I hope it's not the high flyer pack. It is! I got 104 to minus the bonus. Then what's this pack? Whatever. I wanted him. Kevin Garnett pack. Okay. Let's open the country representative pack. I'm gonna hide my screen. 3, 2, 1. Boom. I see an update team. Oh, Rudy Gobert. Okay. I mean, it's 101 plus players, so yeah, it's pretty good. I got the minus a bonus 104, Rudy Gobert, and 105 Trae Young. Yes, good for my team. And that will be it for my video.